friends, Shawn with Young, Hip, and Married, award-winning wedding officiant, founder and owner of Young, Hip, and Married. We marry couples just like you and have collected thousands of 5-star reviews online. And the question today is about wedding prayers. There's a lot of research out there, surprisingly to me, about wedding prayers. Do you include a wedding prayer? What does a wedding prayer look like? What type of prayer should you include? And so really, the rule of thumb for me when I'm working with my couples when it comes to religious content in general, and especially wedding prayers, is this something of great value to you as an individual, maybe to your partner, or to your family of origin? You know, I've done weddings, interfaith weddings for, Muslim and Christian, or Buddhist and Jewish. And in those instances, we have two families coming together, two different belief systems, and it's really important to them to honor their backgrounds and where they've come from. And so we bring in some wedding prayers from both religions and we share them throughout the ceremony. Sometimes we get a family member, a friend to read them. Maybe a grandparent can go up and share it. And it's a really beautiful way of just giving that little bit of respect to that family of origin and honoring those belief systems that maybe you hold as an individual or your partner holds or that your family holds. Now, if you are not a religious person and these things do not mean that much to you, I don't want you to feel obligated to include it. Of course, in fact, you should not include it. If it's going to feel disingenuous or inauthentic, I don't recommend including a wedding prayer because, and again, it's not going to feel like you two and your guests and your family be like, what are we doing here? Why are we saying this? I know he's not religious. He doesn't believe this. Why are we sharing this? So in that case, I recommend leaving it out. But if you have family of origin, yourself, your partner, your family has a religious or spiritual or cultural backgrounds, you want to include that wedding prayer, highly recommend that you do it.